everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my 90% off Walgreens haul. Now, I knew it was going to go 90%. If you guys looked at the tags when I was there the other day, I just knew it was going to go 90% off. So I go to the store this morning, and because we had to go to a doctor's appointment this morning, and I go to the store and I'm like, oh, is it 90% off? She's like, no, I think it's still 70. She's like, why? I said, well, I think it's 90. So they scanned it, and they're like, yep, it's 90% off. And I'm like, well, I'm not going crazy today. And she's like, you should go crazy. I want to get rid of this crap. And I says, no, I'm not going crazy because I already have a lot of stuff. But a lot of you guys have known I've been going crazy because of the trick-or-treaters. I have a whole box full of stuff that I'm going to hand out for trick-or-treaters. Plus, you know, now when Ben's in school, I'm going to make a little goodie bag next year for all of his classmates. So I'm just going to go through some things and share with you guys what I got. I got this all for like, I think $11. I have the receipt below, but I'll show you guys what I got. So when I was there the other day, I wanted these pumpkins. And I said, I do not want to, I'm like, these won't be here when I come back. I know it. But they still had some left, and I love spiders. So I ended up getting some of these ceramic pumpkins. These were $5.99. I got them for 59 cents. So I thought that was good, and I just love spiders. So I ended up getting that pumpkin. And then I got this one. And this one is a skull. Yeah, and they also have a black cat one. But I thought I like the skull, and this one just says Happy Halloween. So I thought for 59 cents, I'm going to go ahead and get those. I thought that was a pretty great deal. And then my friend is obsessed with iridescent. Like, anytime I find iridescent, I always am like thinking of her. And we're really good friends. Her name is Jennifer. So I ended up getting this for her. I'm going to give these to her today. I was going to give them to her for Christmas, but I thought, no, I'm going to give them to her today anyways. But they're those like iridescent skull hands. I thought it was kind of cute. So I did get her 3 of them, or 2 of them. I got 3. I might keep one for myself or not. I'm not sure, but I thought these were good. And again, these were $5.99. So I'm going to give her one. But I thought these are super cute. Super cute. So I got those. I might keep one for myself because I love iridescent too. But she just loves iridescent way more than I do. So I got those. I went crazy over these little tubes. Now in the past they've had like bags. But they were a lot cheaper. This time they were these little tubes. But I thought, you know, that's fine. I might even open these up and just throw them all in a box. But these were $2.99. There's 12 of them in here. So I got it for 29 cents. But I do get an employee discount because my husband works for the company. So I get 25% off Walgreens brands. So I got these even cheaper than that. So I got those. They had a ton of little fingers. There are 12 fingers in here, and they say they glow in the dark. So kids will be getting fingers like left and right. Those are 29 cents. And I did go to 2 stores. I went to the one I always go to on Tuesdays because that's the closest to my house. And then I went to another one that I don't coupon at because they follow me when I go couponing, so I don't like shopping at that store. But I ended up getting these Kaleidoscopes. I thought these are cool. That is perfect. There's 12 of them in here, so I got these for 29 cents. So I just grabbed whatever they had for the Kaleidoscopes because that's really, I thought these are perfect for the kids. So I think I got like 7 of the Kaleidoscopes. 7 or 8. So I'm putting those all in a box. I'm probably just going to open all this stuff up that I have. And then it'll be easier to pack away. And then they had these little finger monsters. I thought these were cool. Finger puppets. There's 12 of them in here. One store hardly had anything and another store had a ton. But I thought these are kind of cool. So I got those and just random stuff. I got more spiders. Spiders. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, I'll take those spiders. Some more fingers, which I don't know why I grabbed the fingers because I already got a ton of it. Another kaleidoscope. And so my friend, her son is really into Nightmare Before Christmas, and I wanted to get her a bunch of stuff, but I didn't like see some of that stuff's just kind of lame. But they did have a salt and pepper shaker. This was $9.99. I got this for 99 cents, you guys. 99 cents. So I'm going to give that to her today. We have a play date later today, so I'm going to give her a bunch of things that I got for her. So that is one thing. Now I saw these. Now everybody goes crazy over those copper mugs or whatever, and I thought these are kind of good. I mean, they are a pumpkin shaped, but I thought, you know what, I like this because this seems like you put ice in it, you can drink some water, and it would really keep your glass cold. So I thought this would be something for Grandma and I to drink up. So this was do not microwave. It is dishwashers. Oh, hand wash only. Okay. But this was $9.99, so I got these for 99 cents. So I just got 2 of them. I thought that was just something, you know, Grandma and I can drink something. Or if I want, I can put some hot chocolate in there. I'm all about hot chocolate, you guys, these days. I found another thing of slime. They still have their 70% off tags. One store did have their sign up saying it was 1 day only. I don't know if it's truly 1 day only or not. But these were, they call bubble sticks. No, that's not right. Slime. I decided that another store had a bunch of these, but I decided not to get a bunch because I feel like these will probably not last up till next year. Like these are already leaking out as it is, so I might let Ben play with these now. But again, $2.99 for those. I found some socks. I can't remember how much these socks were. Oh, these were $4.99, so I paid 49 cents for it. I'm keeping these for myself because I love socks. So I went ahead and got those. And I paid with points, so I hardly paid anything. More fingers. I don't know why I bought more fingers, but I definitely got those. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom, hello. I found, oh, one thing I'm going to share with you guys. I found this little ghost. Now, I never really find anything big, but I thought this is kind of cool. You just hang it up, and it's an LED, and it makes noises. So I thought this is kind of cool to have. I could have this hanging in my basement all night long, or all year long, and then I'm going to put this out on my front porch. So that was $24.99, and I got it for $2.49. But with my discount, I actually got it for like $1 or something. I think it was like $1.87. So they had squishy eyeballs. I thought these are kind of cool, something squishy. So again, $2.99. So I got whatever they had of the eyeballs, and I went crazy for that. More kaleidoscopes. They also had some of these books. Now, I like this. This said witchcraft, and it has a bird on it. But you can, you know, push the button, and it adjusts like that. So I thought that was good. It is off. Once you take this off, then it'll go. But I thought these would be kind of cool. Even if they don't light up, I thought these would be kind of cool to do as decorations. So I ended up getting the spider. I love spiders. This just says spells, and then on the back it says poisons. The other one says curses. So I thought those are kind of cool, you know, little decorations. More squishy eyeballs. And more squishy eyeballs. So I just went crazy, you guys, because I just love, love, love helping out the kids. So I really plan on going all out next year. I just love it. I thought this was super cute. It's like a little nerd outfit. Now, they had one with bones on it, and then they had these, but I thought this was kind of cool. So it's little suspenders, it's glasses, and it comes with a bow. I thought this is super cute. This is something we could always wear all year long, all the time. This was $5.99, so I got this for 59 cents. So I love that costume. I was on the phone with my mother-in-law, and I'm like, hey, do you need any more pumpkin carving kits? She's like, yeah, buy me a couple, and I'll pay you back. And I'm like, no, you don't have to pay me back. 2 of these were different prices. One of these was a different price than the other. I don't know what the difference is. But anyways, so these were $4.99, and I paid 49 cents. This is the best time that I buy my stuff. Whoa, they do this stuff different, but I really like the cutouts that have this, so we use these like crazy. So got 3 of these for 49 cents a piece. You can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong with that. And then I got more squishy eyes. And then don't touch it, it's going to all fall on the floor. And then more monsters. So that was everything that I got. I think that was everything that I got. Yeah, that was everything that I got at Walgreens. My store actually had a ton of stuff, but like I said, I didn't need very much stuff, so I didn't want to go ahead and get that. So my total for everything, I paid $15.01 for everything. $15 for all that stuff. I don't even know how many items I got. I got a lot of stuff for $15, but I pretty much paid $10 in points. So I paid $5 literally for all this stuff, you guys. So I was pretty excited. I just wanted to share with you guys on that so you guys can get out and get to your stores and make sure you guys can get stuff right away. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys later. Please give this video a
Walgreens thumbs up.
Walgreens thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.